How to fix Zoom audio echoes on mobile phone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how you can easily fix your echoes on mobile comm if you're on Zoom calls on your mobile phone. Let's just get started. So the first thing you can do is open up Zoom. So let me just quickly open up Zoom Workplace. Once you open it up, make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged in, you can just create a new meeting. Tap on start meet. So just tap on it. Tap on start a meeting. Now just tap on start at the bottom. Once you start your meeting, make sure that you are on your earpiece mode, because what happens is if you turn on your speaker sound might pick up, uh, it might be picked up by your mic, and it's going to cause echoes on your device. So to switch to earpiece mode, tap on audio down below, and it's going to mute the audio. And to actually change the output, you can tap on join audio down below, just like so, and then tap on OK. Tap on Wi-Fi or cellular while using give permission. Once that is done, you can unmute the audio and make sure that you use the earpiece speaker. Then tap on more option at the right side. Go to audio settings. Make sure the noise removal is selected. You can do original sounds if you are a musician or if you want your background or instruments to pick up, but you usually just select the noise removal for your microphone. Then once you have done that, you can also lower your volumes. If you are on your call, just lower your volume so that your mic doesn't pick up your speaker sound. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.